In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish reports in Power BI. By the end, you'll know 3 straightforward ways to get a report from your desktop into the Power BI service so your team can view it online. First, open the Power BI app on your desktop and load the report you want to publish. It's a good idea to save any recent changes before you publish, so everything you've updated is included. Also, make sure you're signed into the correct account, since publishing sends your report to the online workspace tied to that sign-in. The quickest method is right from the upper ribbon. Look for the Publish button, click it, and choose the workspace where you want the report to live. If Power BI asks whether to replace an existing version, confirm only if you're updating the same report. Then wait for the upload to finish. You'll see a confirmation when it's done, and you can open it in the browser directly from that message. If you prefer using the menu, you can publish from the File menu as well. Open File from the top menu, select Publish, and follow the same prompts to pick your workspace. Again, give it a moment to process. This route is functionally the same, and it's handy if you already have the menu open while working. You can also publish through the web. Open Power BI in your browser and sign in. On the left panel, select the workspace where you want the report to appear. At the top, click Import, then choose Reports. Select the option to choose from this computer, browse to your Power BI report file, and select it. The service will upload and import the report. Just wait until the process completes. Once finished, the report shows up in your workspace ready to open. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Verify you have permission to publish to the chosen workspace. Ensure you're on a stable internet connection, and keep your report and dataset names clear and consistent so you can find them easily later. If you see an error during publish, save the file and try again, or confirm you're signed into the right account. That's all there is to it. Whether you use the ribbon button, the file menu, or the web import, the result is the same. Your report is uploaded to the selected workspace and available in the Power BI service. Thanks for watching, and happy publishing.